Road trip. Lala. I'm back in Manila. Another long holiday, another visit to Manila. One weekend in July, I decided to go home to Manila to see my family and also to use up my remaining leaves. And as usual, if I'm not in a hurry or if I don't have bags, I take the cheapest route, the Hangkyu Nangkai route. Except for Obon, summer is generally lean season, so flights are really cheap. Hey guys, I'm here again at Causeway Airport and I'm flying to Manila today. Check-in and immigration was a breeze, and in no time I was in the airside. And out of habit, before boarding my flight, I make sure to buy something from the Family Mart here at the airport. I usually buy snacks and drinks to take in the airplane. It's so hot. AirAsia is reliable and cheap. Also, the legroom is not different from Philippine Airlines. I've always been curious how they could scratch the windows like this level. For lunch, I ate the food I bought from the convenience store. I forgot my protein shake with me, so I used the strawberry milk bottle as my protein shaker. And I always make sure to clean for the next passenger. Mid-flight, I got hungry, so I ate my remaining food, egg sandwich, and some protein shake. Always thankful for landing safe. Hey guys, I'm back in Manila. I took a grab car home in this rainy weather. Loba is always very happy to see me when I come back. But I'm not sure about our nonchalant cat. Wala ka na naman. First morning, mom is cooking. Ano luto mo? Spaghetti sopas. Breakfast. Gusto ka na going next month. Road trip. 3 days. Mom is having trouble walking. Hey guys, we're here at Causeway again. I go here every year, every visit. Causeway for the birthday noodles. Dimsum. Kanji. Akin na egg. Konji. Black Lala. If you order the salted egg yolk bun, just remember it's always messy. The dim sums here. Shrimp roll and spare ribs and shomai. And I always order the birthday noodles, which is not on the menu. Birthday noodles, small size. It's so huge. Small lang yan, di. Laki, di ba? The birthday noodles is such a value for money because it's huge, it's filling, it's delicious, and it's so satisfying. Seafood roll. So big.
Honey, shrimp,
Mushrooms, and fish. I remember having this in Hong Kong, so I decided to order some steamed rice rolls here at Causeway. Masarap. Walang reaction. After lunch, we continued to our adventure in Angeles, Pampanga. So rainy. We're already in the border. I told my friend that I will visit his son's climbing gym here in Angeles, Pampanga. I wanted to try the walls, but I was alone, and I haven't climbed for a very, very long time. I was surprised to see that there's a very active bouldering community here in Angeles, Pampanga. Visit when you're here. Mag-billiard sila daddy. Mga nag-billiards na to mga to. So 360 per hour na. So, mag-start na, press na yung gitna. The drinks are so cheap. The drinks are also discounted if you play billiards. They also have bubble tea. 50% discount for billiard customers. Beverage only. Ang galing ni Daddy! Daddy taught us billiards when we were kids, and he still hasn't lost his touch. Wala, hindi nahawakan yan.
Ang sarap sa tenga nung tunog nung ano.
Now, it's Kimmy's turn to learn how to play billiards. Sila mami nag-e-enjoy manood. You could tell that we had so much fun visiting here. We passed by this activity complex in a cafe along the way, so we decided to visit it before going home. I was surprised at how much space there was in this place. One could argue that this could be the most Instagrammable place here in Angeles, Pampanga. There's a big seating capacity here on the first floor and also on the second floor. I was also surprised that they bake the breads in-house. All the breads here are huge. Everything is so huge. My first impression when I saw the bread lineup was that everything was so huge. Look, everything's huge. Wow, that's huge. Daddy's enjoying getting lots of bread. The Madeline's so cheap, 150. The cake was huge. Even the supposedly mini cakes are huge. This one is not mini, this is huge. Look at the chicken's so thick. Look at the macarons, the filling's so thick. They also have savory items and lots of different drinks. And being a cafe, they have tons of beverage offerings. They also have some pastas and rice meals. Most of the things we ordered were pastries. I regretted not trying the sandwiches and the savory items. Pag madilim, we're here at Lala Cafe. We ordered a lot of food. Try the Madeline.
Madeline.
This is just okay. Okay. Let's try the chiffon cake. This is huge. It broke. Not bad. Walnuts. It's okay. Let's try the pizza bread. Let's try this bread. The cream is sweet and chocolatey. This is probably an unpopular opinion. The breads and presentation have a wow factor. However, I wish they not only focused on the appeal factor but also on the taste. For me, they were not bad, but they were not impressive either. Medyo mahal pero kulang sa sarap. With new memories and our tummies full, we go back to Manila. And that's it for the first part of my travel to Manila and Angeles City in July. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you again in the next video where me and my family stayed at the Hilton in Manila. And as always, stay safe and goodbye.